Stop, stop, stop! Are you facing hair fall a lot? Or a dandruff? A stubborn kind of fungal dandruff? Oh please, who want to see a premature gray hairs in a young age? So don't go anywhere because I'm gonna give you a proper solution in this video that how can you make an oil that will completely and entirely change your hair's look. So what are you waiting for? Let's jump into the video. But before jumping into the video, don't forget to subscribe my channel, and if you are new on my channel, hit the like button. Also, your appreciation means a lot. So here you can see, put a pan on stove on a low to medium heat. Pour 500 grams of coconut oil. Once again, the flame should be low to medium. Okay. After that, take a plate full of curry leaves. Here you can see. Add into the oil, coconut oil, and then take a 2 to 3 medium sized onion and cut into the chunks, and then add it also into the oil, and take 50 grams of ginger. Okay, take 50 grams of ginger and add into the oil also. After that, take a 50 grams of onion seed or kulonji, whatever you say, add it also, and then take 100 grams of aloe vera gel. It's a fresh aloe vera gel, not preserved. Okay, then take 100 grams of fenugreek seeds. It's also called a methi dana, and put it into the oil. And now cook it until it turns into a dark brown color or turn into a little bit black, but not burn. Okay, I suggest you that while preparing this oil, don't make any hassle, because we want to add the properties of the things we added into the oil. Now you can see that the color should be like this. When it turns into this condition, then turn the flame off, and now strain it after it cool down little bit. Don't burn your hands, and then your oil is ready to use. Now I will tell you how you can use this oil. So listen it carefully. At first 7 days, in every night before going to the bed, massage this oil onto your scalp and your hair, entire hairs, and after that sleep it with this oil, and in the morning wash it with baby shampoo. Don't use any chemical or harsh shampoo. You will see after the 7 days a big difference into your hairs. On the first day you will see the big difference because your hair will become smoother, and at 7 days while using this oil, your hairs will stop falling, the dandruff you have will completely gone, you will get a stronger hairs, and the premature growth will stop. So when you complete your 7 days, after that use this oil twice a week. So my dear lovelies, if you like my today's video, then don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the like button also, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Allah Hafiz, fi aman Allah.